What's up, folks? Welcome to the channel, Gang Green. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Make sure you smash that like button. Today we're gonna be talking about a little bit of property management stuff. This gonna be a short video. I ain't gonna hold y'all too long. Y'all don't pay no attention to my do-rag line. I just woke up this morning. Just got my hair cut yesterday, y'all. Y'all see them waves? No, but anyways. So like when you sign a lease, rent of course is due on the 1st. But me personally, I give a grace period to the 5th. Starting on the 5th is your first late day. So on the 5th is when your late fees start. And when I first started this property management journey, I only made it $5 a day. But then I realized how people would take advantage of that. They'll take it off. They'll go all the way up to the 15th and they'll pay that extra money because who cares? They'd rather hold off and build their money up or whatever the case may be, and they had no problem paying it late. So then I decided to change it to $10 a day. Same thing. They'll go 10 days, you know what I'm saying, at $10 a day. They not tripping. They pay that extra fee. But in the end, that ain't doing nothing but holding me because I got to pay my mortgage on the 5th. And it comes out automatically, ACH, electronically, you know what I'm saying? So I've decided from here on out, we go move it up to $20 a day, the late fee. So if you late $20 a day, hopefully that will discourage people from thinking they could, wait up to the 15th. Because on the 15th is when the eviction process starts. So on the 5th, the late fees start, and on the 15th, the eviction process start. And I just go straight to the courthouse. If you ain't paid your rent by the 15th, I'm just gonna go to the courthouse and start the eviction process because if you ain't paid by the 15th, what's the chances that you're gonna have it on time for next month's rent? You know what I'm saying? So if you got any comments or anything, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Other than that, Gang Green, baby. See you next time.